With so much competition coming into the t-shirt design market, it can be hard to get your designs to stand out. In this section, we will go over how to create professional image and video mock-ups to use for eye-catching promotions and marketing campaigns. Simply posting the stock image of your shirt designs with a few keywords isn't gonna cut it anymore. In order to stand out and build an actual connection with your audience, the best way is to show your t-shirt designs being worn by actual people. People connect with people. There's a reason that most TV commercials feature beautiful models using the product that's being advertised. You want your audience to be able to picture themselves wearing your shirt and enjoying it. Instead of hiring professional models for a photo shoot to model your t-shirt designs, there is now a much easier and faster way to get the image and video mockups you need. Placeit is an online mockup generator tool that allows you to create high-quality image and video mockups for your t-shirt designs. I have personally used Placeit for the past 3 years, and I'm excited to partner with Placeit to offer this amazing tool to our Quantum Courses members. The mockups can be used for all sorts of marketing purposes, such as to advertise your designs to your social media followers in a post, or for running paid ads and promotions. After we walk through the steps to create your mockups, we will then go over multiple promotion strategies that you can use them for. So let's take a look at the action steps that we'll be going through in the mockups creation section of the course. We will start by selecting the best designs to use for your mockups. The designs that you select should be relevant to whichever audience you plan to market to. We will then go over how to create your user account on Placeit in order to access the mockups generator. Creating your user account on Placeit is a simple process and only takes a few minutes. To sign up, you can find the link to the Placeit mockup generator in the video description or discussion area. After you sign up to Placeit, you will then have access to hundreds of different mockups that you can browse through to select to use for your designs. You will follow me as we walk through the entire process to create high-quality image and video mockups for your t-shirt designs on Placeit. The professional mockups you create will help your designs get much more attention from customers browsing online. So to get started, let's select some designs to use for your mockups. I'll see you in the next video. Using professional mockups to market your t-shirt designs will not only gain more attention, but can also help to increase sales. In this lecture, we will go over one of the best online tools to create both image and video mockups for your designs. We have recently partnered with Envato to introduce our Quantum Courses members to the best online mockups generator tool for t-shirt sellers called Placeit. I've been using Placeit to help with my t-shirt marketing campaigns for over 2 years, and I'm excited to now be able to introduce this tool to our members. Before having access to online mockup generators, t-shirt sellers had to print their designs on actual shirts, hire models, and schedule a photo shoot just to get a few similar looking images to use for their online marketing. This method is not only time consuming, but can also be expensive. Using the Placeit mockup generator not only saves you the time and money of hiring actual models, but also provides you with a huge selection of different models and sceneries to use depending on the market you intend to reach. Once you sign up, you will have unlimited access to tons of high quality image and video mockup templates with a variety of styles to match your niche and personality. With a huge selection of mockup templates on Placeit, you'll find the perfect mockup for your design, whether the audience of your target market is men, women, or even children. So let's walk through the simple steps to create your user account on Placeit. To get started, go ahead and click the Quantum Courses affiliate link in the video or course description so my friends at Placeit know that I sent you. After you click the link, you should be taken directly to the Placeit homepage. If you like, go ahead and browse through the Placeit website so you can see all the tools that they offer. They not only have image and video mockups for t-shirts, but all sorts of other tools that you can use for marketing as well. If you sell other items such as coffee mugs or cell phone cases, they have mockups for those too. Placeit actually has the largest collection of mockups on the internet. With their smart templates, it's super easy to add your designs to the mockups and edit them as well. Placeit also has tons of different ad and social media templates and over 4,000 logos that you can choose from as well. So in order to create your Placeit account, let's scroll to the top of the homepage and click on Get Unlimited Downloads at the top right. As you can see here, that when you sign up, you can access all the Placeit templates under a single subscription. This includes the mockups, designs, logos, and videos. By far the best deal is to sign up annually for $99 a year. This is actually 71% cheaper than paying monthly, and your total comes out to only $8.25 per month. With such a low price, if you only sold one extra t-shirt using your Placeit mockups per month, it would be well worth it. If you wanted to start out with a monthly plan, they have that option available as well, but it's a lot more expensive. With the monthly plan, you also get unlimited access, but it comes out to $29 per month. This is a lot more expensive than the $8.25 per month with the yearly plan. If you plan to run your t-shirt business for more than 3 months, you might as well go with the yearly plan. For only $99 for the entire year, you can create a ton of different mockups that'll bring in a lot more sales. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the sign up button and create your account on Placeit. The sign up process is super easy and should only take a few minutes. Once you sign up to Placeit, you'll have access to their entire library of more than 26,000 smart images and video templates. In the next lecture, we'll walk through the entire process of creating your first image mockup using your t-shirt designs. I'll see you in the next video. In this lecture, we will go over how to create high-quality image mockups for your t-shirt designs. Using image mockups for your online promotions will help to get more eyeballs on your products. Hopefully you've already used the provided link to sign up for your user account on Placeit. If not, you can find the link to the Placeit Mockup tool in the video description. After you join, you can now use Placeit to generate professional image mockups in seconds, which you can then use to promote your designs to bring in more sales. Mockups have been proven to convert traffic into sales much better than simply posting your design alone. So now let's head over to Placeit and go through the steps to create your first mockup image. You can do all sorts of cool stuff on the Placeit website, but since this section is all about t-shirt mockups, let's go up to the top menu and click on Mockups. So here's the page for the instant mockup generator. As you can see, they currently have 14,911 mockups. If you like, you can use the search bar to search for the product that you want to add the mockup to, but for now, let's just go up to the top menu and click on T-shirt mockups. So here's the page that's dedicated strictly to t-shirt mockups. First, go ahead and select the design that you want to create a mockup for. In order to create the best quality mockup, make sure your image is JPG or PNG with a pixel size of at least 750 by 1200. Once you've selected your design, go ahead and click on Upload your design here. You can then browse through your computer folders and upload the design that you wish to use. For this example, I think I'll just use my Quantum Courses logo. You will then be taken to the photo editor where you can resize, crop, or move your image. I think I'll move my logo a little bit higher on the shirt. To resize your image, simply use the sliding bar here. Once you're done editing your design, go ahead and click on Crop. And there we have it. We've now added our new design to the Placeit Mockups generator. You should then see all the mockup templates on the page switch over to your design. Beside the upload button, you can also select your t-shirt color. Once you update your color, all the t-shirt templates will change colors as well. So now that we've uploaded our design and selected our t-shirt color, let's browse through the different mockups and see which one we want to use for our promotions. Placeit has tons of very cool mockups that you can choose from. If you look at the menu on the left hand side, you can select the type of mockups that you want to display. You can choose to view them by gender, age, ethnicity, tags, or other criteria. You can also click the drop down menu here to see the newest mockups or the best sellers. Once you've selected your criteria, go ahead and browse through the designs and select one that you would like to use. For my example, I think I'll just choose this one here. So here's where you can view, edit, and download your selected mockup. As you can see, the mockups are very high quality, and it actually looks like she's wearing a shirt with my logo on it. If you look at the left hand side of the mockup, you can choose to upload a new image, edit your existing image, or trash the whole thing. On the right hand side of your mockup, you could also choose to change the color of the shirt, but since I've already selected a color on the previous page, let's go ahead and download our new mockup. This mockup here will be downloaded in a high resolution PNG format with a pixel size of 1440 by 2160. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click on Download Now. Once you click Download Now, you'll see a message at the top right that says your request is now processing and we'll email you when it's ready. It may take a minute or two for your mockups to generate, especially if you're downloading a video mockup. But this image should only take a few seconds, so let's head over to my email and see what we have. So here's the email that I just received from Placeit. You can see a preview of your mockup and a link to download the mockup to your computer. Once you click the link, the mockup should automatically start downloading. There we go. So let's open up the mockup and see how it looks. And that's how easy it is to create and download a mockup image from Placeit. We can now use our image for marketing, promotions, or social media posts. So let's head back over to our image on Placeit. If we look at the top right, the message now says, "Processing finished, click here to download." If you didn't check your email, you can simply download your image from here. Once you click this link, the image should automatically download just like the link from our email. If we scroll up a bit, There's also a Downloads tab at the top right. This is where you can go at any time to download any of the mockups that you've previously created. Since this is the only mockup that I've created on this practice account, that's the only one that's available at the moment. So that's how you use Placeit to generate mockup images for your t-shirt designs. In the next lecture, we'll go over how to create mockup videos for your designs. I'll see you in the next video. So now let's go over how to create professional video mockups for your t-shirt designs. Video mockups can greatly increase the attention that your online promotions generate, even more than image mockups. Creating video mockups are just as easy to make as image mockups on Placeit. The process to create them is similar, but image and video mockups can be used for different purposes when marketing. For instance, image mockups may be best to add to new blog posts or an article, while the short video mockups may work best on a platform like Instagram. So now let's log back into your Placeit account and go over how to create video mockups for your designs. If you haven't created your account on Placeit yet, you can find the registration link in the video description. So we've already gone over how to create image mockups on Placeit. Now let's go up to the mockups menu and click on T-shirt mockup videos. The video mockup page is very similar to the image mockup page, but instead of starting out by uploading our image, let's go ahead and select the video that we want to use. Placeit has a ton of different video mockups that you can select from. You also have the menu on the left hand side in case you want to sort your video mockups by criteria. Since I used a woman for my image mockup, let's select to view the men for the videos. As you can see, now that we've selected that criteria, all the video mockups that are shown feature men. You can also add other criteria as well, such as by searching for age groups. So for this example, I think I'll just select this video mockup here. So here's the Placeit editor for the video mockups. The features are a little bit different than the image mockups. So to get started, let's look at the left hand side and click on Upload Image. Make sure your image is at least 750 by 1200 pixels. After you upload your image, you should be taken to the image editor. From here, you can move, crop, or resize your design just like the image mockups. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click on Crop. It may take a few seconds for your design to upload to the video. Before we preview the video, let's check out some of the other options we have. For video mockups, you can actually add audio. If you click the Add Audio button, you can see tons of different audio tracks that Placeit has available for you to use. You can select the type of audio you want to use on the left hand side, and then browse through the various tracks until you find one that you like. Under the Add Audio button, you can also select your shirt color. For my mockup example, I think I'll change my shirt color to black. To see the video with your design and the new shirt color, let's click on Preview Full Video at the top. Once the video finishes processing, it should automatically start playing. And there we have it. My design and shirt color has been added. If you wanted to add even more slides or templates to your video, simply click the plus sign down here at the bottom. Here you can add other mockups, photos, images, or text. But for this example, I think I'll just stick with the single video. So after you've added everything that you want to add to your new video mockup, you can look up top and go ahead and click the blue Download Full Video button. Your video will be high resolution with a pixel size of 920 by 1080. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Download Now. If you look at the top right, you can see that the request is now processing and they'll email you when it's ready. Instead of checking our email this time, let's go up to the top right and click on the Downloads tab. This should take you to the page where you can view all the image and video mockups that you've previously created. Looks like my new video has just been added, so let's click on the Download button. Your new mockup should automatically start downloading to your computer. And voila! Let's open up the video and check it out. The Placeit video mockups are super high quality and downloaded with a 1080p resolution. So that's how you create amazing video mockups using the Placeit Mockups tool. In the upcoming sections, we'll go over some free and paid promotion strategies that you can use with your mockups. I'll see you in the next video. So hopefully you've already signed up for your Placeit account and followed the steps to create some mockups for your t-shirt designs. In this section, we will discuss various methods that you could use to promote your designs on your website and social media platforms. The free marketing methods we will discuss can be used for almost any product or service, but in this course, we will be focusing specifically on selling your t-shirt designs. There are many different strategies that you could implement to promote your shirt designs online for free. Not only will we be going over tons of ways to use your mockups we created to promote your designs, but also other ways to send traffic to your products as well. This includes building a website for your brand around your selected topic or niche, or setting up brand pages on various social media platforms to promote your designs. Before adding links to your designs on your website or social media pages to reach your audience and market your products, you must first make sure your product's listings are optimized. Having optimized product listings will increase your conversion rates, giving you more results for the time that you spend marketing and promoting. We've already discussed various ways to optimize your listings in a previous video, but before we get into the various free strategies to promote on your website and social media, let's do a quick review of how to optimize your product listings. Competition in the t-shirt design business is growing by the day, so it's important for you to have high quality designs in order to stand out. Take some time with each design to make sure they're the highest quality possible and most relevant to your target audience. Next, you must use good keywords and copywriting. Having relevant keywords will increase your SEO and help customers find your products through organic search. Good copywriting is also something you should spend some time on as well. When customers reach your product listing, your copywriting will help to convince them to make the purchase, which will help increase your conversion rates. In order to get traffic to your product pages, you will either need to spend some money or your time. If you want to build your audience and traffic without spending money, you will have to spend your time creating valuable content that your audience would love. If you continue posting great content related to your niche, your following will grow over time, increasing the number of people you can directly market your products to. When you are creating content for your audience, there are several places online where you could post it to. This includes options like your own website or blog, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube. These are definitely not the only places available, but they are the places where I've seen the most success. Social media is a great way to find, connect with, and build rapport with potential customers. You don't need brand pages on all social media platforms, but the more the better. Each platform you develop will provide another avenue for people to reach you and your products. If you're just getting started, I recommend building up 1 or 2 platforms first before adding others. Also, you should think about the type of content that you actually enjoy creating. For example, if you can't stand creating videos, YouTube may not be the place for you. You want to select a platform that you can consistently create content for, whether it's in the form of text, images, video, or even audio. Although free marketing methods will typically take more time to build up than paid strategies, posting free content regularly will build a better foundation for your brand by consistently adding more real estate to your business across the internet. For instance, if you take the time to create 100 YouTube videos related to your niche, this could be a lot more powerful than simply paying to run a few ads. Also, if you're a beginner and don't have much money to start, but you have some free time to spare, then the free marketing methods we will discuss will be the best for you. So let's go over some free marketing strategies that you can start implementing to build your business and help you sell more t-shirt designs. I'll see you in the next video.